thinking I maybe should get out of here before I break something.
So putting fillet heads. Fillet heads are not the best screwdrivers to use on these. I use a damn drill.
It's too bad they're not just the regular, like maybe like 6 or 8 millimeter hex.
No.
Is it going? Okay. I feel a little better now. At least I wasn't completely wrong about it.
No, you went wrong. It's just the way these fucking boxes can be sometimes.
I had one where there were 2 wings that stick into the box and you can rotate them based on whether you're using the number 8 or number 10. So there's not 2 holes showing at the same time.
Donald, you want to go to Dollar?
No.
Try it out.
You want an arrow speed? Alright, well.
I'm gonna.
Hey, Tory, you got an extra long screwdriver anywhere?
Somewhere, but they keep going.
This little thing